Hi, my name is Peter Garan. Today I want to welcome Senior 1 classes, especially those that will be joining Senior 1 for the first time. Simply because if you look at Senior 1 is a foundation. And how good you are or how well you are taught in Senior 1 will determine your career path. And I'm just going to welcome this special group of people with some of the tips, some of the basic. And I'm going to talk more about science. I believe that when you are in primary, you were only taught that science is the study of living and non-living things. Non-living things. That is from primary. And as you come on, especially as you join secondary classes, you will notice that this science get divided into different animals. And so I'm here today to unpack for you those different animals. And I will just give an example of a tree. For most of you that have trees in their homes, or maybe that normally come across trees, you will find that a tree always have the main stem, just like this, the main trunk. And as a tree grow, you will find it will have branches. So that is exactly that happens to science. When you are in the primary, it comes to your science, but as you continue to the secondary education, this science will be divided into three branches, into three main branches. And just like this tree, I have a trunk, and then I have one branch, one branch, one branch. And so this is what happens when you come here. You find that the science in Senior 1 start getting divided, and this will be divided into three main parts. One of which is biology, and then we have physics, and then we have chemistry. So as you join your Senior 1 classes, you find that this science will be divided into three. And some of you might actually get surprised because those will look completely different from you, but just know that this is a continuation of what you had studied. So majority of the people fear the sciences simply because you are not taught right from the beginning. And people will give them names that physics is so difficult, chemistry is very difficult, and then biology is very difficult. There is no any subject that is so difficult. And so today, I'm here actually to unpack for you this. As you look closely, that science is divided into three branches. That is biology, physics. People have a problem with pronunciation of physics because of our dialect. This PHY is pronounced as F. So physics, not physics. So this is one of the things that you need to get clearly. So this is physics, not physics. So you'll find that this science is divided into biology, physics, chemistry. So in this video, I wanted to narrow my class down to biology. And then in the next video, I will have opportunity to talk about physics and then chemistry. And so what is biology? If you look at biology, this is a combination of two terms. The word bio stands for life. And then logy means study. That is the breakdown. The word biology is actually divided, can be broken down into two. The word bio means life, and then logy means study. So in a simple layman language, in a simple terms, biology can be study of life. These are options that you can give. So it can either be a study of life, or you can say that biology is the branch of science that deals with study of living organisms. That is it. So that means when you come to the secondary level, and in case you are actually exposed to a question that asks you to define biology, you can simply say biology is the branch of science. You see, it is not coming out from anywhere, it came out from something. So it is a branch. For example, when you are asked about this, you will say this is a branch of tree. This one part here is a branch of tree. So this is the same thing that is applied to all the branches of sciences. That is biology, physics, and chemistry. And so what happens is that when you are asked to define biology, you can clearly say that biology is the branch of science that deals with the study of living organisms. If you have forgotten, if your memory cannot, memorize all this, you can simply say that is a branch of science that deals with the study of life. Study of life. Or you can say, these are options. This is the main definition of biology. But in case you are confronted to a situation where you cannot memorize, make sure that you divide this into two. Know that bio is life, and then logy is study. So you can say biology is the branch of science that deals with the study of life, or biology is the study of life. Or you can say, because these living organisms are specifically trees, or we call them plants in general, plants and animals. The living organisms we are talking about here are plants and animals. So in a scenario where you cannot remember living organisms, you can say it's a branch of science that deals with the study of plants and animals. A good teacher will actually give you marks. A good teacher will actually give you marks. So that is what happens. And that is a definition of biology. And someone could ask, why do I waste my time studying biology? This is the question. Why do I study biology? Why studying biology? Because I said in this video of mine, I'll be focusing so much on biology, and then in the next video I'll be breaking down more on physics as branches of science. So I said before that biology is a branch of science that deals with the study of living organisms, or you can say biology is the branch of science that deals with the study of life, or you can say biology is a branch of science that deals with the study of plants and animals. Any teacher, a good teacher, will actually give you marks for doing that. And so the question is, as someone who is getting this for the first time, you will ask yourself, why am I studying biology? Why? Why am I studying biology? Studying biology helps you in your, in your path to achieving careers related to the following. Related to the following. For example, for those that want to be in medical field, and this medical field is broad. If you want to be a doctor, for example, if you want to be a nurse, if you want to be a laboratory technician, this one is broad. Those that want to be doctors, those that want to be midwives, those that want to be laboratory technicians, if you want to be pharmacists, those that want to be pharmacists, those that want to be nurses, those that want to be etc. Any course related to medical field, you must have studied and passed biology. If for those that also want to specialize in plants, what we call botany, you need to have studied biology. It's actually very key. For those that want to specialize more in wild animals and all this, I'm saying wild animal because we also have human beings as animals, according to science. So, those that want to study zoology, which is specifically study of animals, you must have biology. So, that tells us that with a biology, you have a wide range of career options. With this, I beg to stop here, and I believe that if this video is so helpful, I think you need to watch it and then share this video.